I checked out the FabFitFun Winter Box for 2025, and honestly, it's a bit of a mixed bag. The subscription box promises a curated selection of beauty, wellness, fitness, and lifestyle products each season, which sounds fun and exciting on paper. But when you dig deeper, a few things stand out. The Winter Box contains a mix of full-size and sample-size products, and the value can vary depending on which items you get. Some users love the variety and seasonal surprises, while others feel that a few items aren't worth the subscription cost. Verified reviews generally praise the quality of certain beauty and wellness products, but opinions differ on the usefulness of lifestyle or fitness items. Pricing is reasonable for a quarterly box, especially if you're interested in trying new products, but it's not necessarily a money-saving option compared to buying items individually. The appeal is mostly in discovery and curation rather than bulk value. Overall, the FabFitFun Winter Box 2025 could be worth it if you enjoy seasonal surprises and discovering new brands, but manage your expectations. If you're picky about specific products or value, it might not always feel like a perfect fit.